Hi guys! So for today's video, it's just going to be very quick, very simple, because I just want to share to you guys how I do my current, and when I say current, kasi alam niyo naman, pag may bagong products, nagbabago tayo ng mga routine, ganyan. My current, how do I call this? Summer look? Sunkissed look, mga ganong effect. But what I can promise is all the products I'm going to use are local brands. Locally available, but yeah, local brands. And I have so many blemishes today, you guys. Dala yan ng franchise denial. I'm so stressed. But anyway, without further ado, let's start. So first I'm going to do is my brows, and I'm going to use yung FS Cosmetics eyebrow tattoo pen. I'm going to try this again. Oh my god, I almost forgot may gagawin din pala kasi sa hair ko. Gusto ko rin ng beachy summer waves, channeling cambot. So, what I'm going to do, dahil wala naman akong pangkulot and everything, I got this from sa grocery. This is the White Rain Volumizing Mousse. Meron isa pang ganito, pero parang styling mousse siya. Pero wala. Ito na yung nakuha ko. So, this is my hair, air-dried hair. And then what I'm going to do, ponytail. Mag-high pony ako. And ganyan lang. So for my base, I'm going to use itong BLK Universal Skin Tint in Illuminating Skin Tint, and I got the shade Butterscotch Glow. I'm not sure if this is my shade, but oh, pwede naman. Okay, so itong si Illuminating Skin Tint is really nice kapag ka smooth and flawless yung skin mo, kung wala kang malalaking breakouts and everything, because light coverage lang siya. It will just even out your skin tone and make it like dewy and healthy looking, pero hindi niya makakover yung mga blemishes mo. So it's perfect for good skin days, or kung yun nga, flawless ka ng bonggang-bongga, you don't have breakouts like I do right now. But to cover up my blemishes, gagamitin ko tong Fashion 21 Ultimate Cover BB and Concealer. This is one of my favorite foundations, you guys. I don't like the concealer, but yung mismong foundationes, yung mismong BB cream, it's like legit, it can cover my blemishes. Kung yung blemish mo is flat lang, I think kaya naman ni BLK Skin Tint. Pero kung medyo nakaumbok siya, like what I have, yun, medyo majirapi yun, be. Actually, hindi ka naman goal na i-cover talaga lahat ng mga blemish ko. For it to look more natural, okay lang nag-peek through siya, pero bawasan natin yung pagiging in-your-face blemish niya, alam niyo yun. Oh my god, itong dalawang to, they're not blemishes. They're kagat ng lamok. Breakfast is here. I mean, I have a sandwich. But I like Tim Hortons iced French vanilla coffee. Unpopular opinion, but Tim Hortons coffee tastes way better than Starbucks. I'm just saying. Next up is contour. And I'm going to use yung Bench Beauty Contour Stick. And you guys, alam mo kung pinagkaiba niya kay Fashion 21, kay Caroline Contour Stick. This is way creamier and easier to blend. But merong mga pros and cons yun. Yung sa Fashion 21, why do I keep on saying Fashion 21? Yung sa Caroline, it's a stronger candidate for contour. Mas matibay siya, mas pangmatagalang contour. Pero etong contour ni Bench Beauty, since mas ano siya, mas malambot, mas creamier, pwede mo rin siyang gawing bronzer, or yung parang kapag ka yung foundation mo hindi match sa'yo, or it's like too light for you, pwede mong patungan nito yung like your entire face, and then just blend it. Kasi nga, ang bilis niya mag-blend, so hindi mahalata ng bonggang-bongga na inedit mo yung color ng foundation mo. Ayusin ko nga kanya. You know what inspired me to do this video? Si Andy Eigenman, my god. I watched her videos last week, and I'm like, that face, that glow, that sun-kissed, you know, complexion, nakakainggit. Wala tayo sa Siargao, wala tayo sa La Union. For my blush, since I'm going for a, you know, dewy, fresh looking skin complexion, gagamitin ko tong favorite kong cheek tint if I want a like dewy glowy na face. And these are from SKINPOTIONS. Ito yung tint about it. And I do recommend that you try these, you guys, because kung ayaw mo ng matte na blush, alam mo yon, these are really, really good alternative. Ayan. Oh, it's so nice. Okay to gamitin if you don't, even if you don't have foundation. So I'm just going to use my fingers to spread it. Yung cheeks ni Andy Eigenman's like entire face is red, pero ako, I'm just going to put it mostly where the sun hits my face, kung saan ako talaga normally, naturally namumula kapag ka, alam mo yun, nasa sunburn, or pag naarawan and everything, which is over here at the top of my cheeks. I'm just gonna let the blemish peek through. And you also get very pula over here. And then I'm going to add a little bit here. Good morning, sunshine. So, naglagay lang ako ng baby eyeliner just to define my eyes. But to make it even more fab, I'm going to use itong Fashion 21 Double Up Mascara, one of the best mascaras, local brand. For my highlight, I'm going to use yung highlighter itong GLAMPOCKET from SKINPOTIONS in the shade The Bomb. Medyo gamit na gamit ko na siya, guys, as you can see. then for my lips, I can actually use itong sa GLAMPOCKET na, or itong Tint About It ng SKINPOTIONS. But for variety purposes, I'm going to use itong sa KJM Cosmetics, yung kanilang Cheek and Lip Tint. This is in the shade Tango. Oh! Para medyo bongga, lalagyan ko lang ng konting Tint About It in the shade Apple Smoothie on. And kahit na I'm all for, you know, the dewy glowy, somehow we need to set a little bit ng face natin. I'm using a wet sponge, and this powder is from Detail Makeover loose powder. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. All the products that I used, I'm gonna list it down below. Again, thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.